Today I'm going to show you how to optimize your YouTube content. First, we're going to start with the details. Obviously, you need a title. You want your description to involve your SEO and meta optimization words. You want to make sure your thumbnail is appropriate to the video itself. Make sure you put things in a playlist. And then, down at the bottom, you have keywords. You want to make sure you're utilizing the best SEO and meta words possible for your particular channel. Then when you go to the video elements, you're going to want to add an end screen. Now, I already have one, but I'm going to, for the purposes of this, make a brand new one. So I'm going to use, this one is my favorite. And as you can see, it's overlapping one of the end screens. I really want it to be about here, where my actual end screen is. So we are going to drag it over to that point. And then we will just preview it really quickly. Perfect. Now that I have it there, what do I want it to say? Well, I would like for my subscribe to be up here. Yes. And this one, you can have many choices here. Now, in this case, I'm going to do the most recent upload. That's going to put it back to the most recent one prior to the one that I am currently uploading. Then I'm going to save that. You go to the next screen where you do the checks. Perfect. And then you get to decide how you're going to do it. In this case, it's going to be public. And you can also schedule videos. I'm not sure if you were aware, but you can actually schedule for the exact time and date. And in this case, I'm not going to schedule it. I'm just going to do it right now. Publish, and then you're done.